Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix sparking 0 FPS drops issue on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, update your graphics card drivers. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the menu. Look for display adapters, expand the section, and right-click on your graphics card. Select Update Driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. If the system finds a new update, let it install, then restart your PC. Alternatively, go to the official website of your GPU and manually check for driver updates. Once installed, reboot the game and check if the FPS drops issue has been fixed. Next, lower in-game graphics settings. Open the game and navigate to the Settings or Options menu. Then, reduce the texture quality to medium or low. After that, set anti-aliasing to off or low to reduce GPU strain. Lower the shadow quality and draw distance, as these often cause FPS drops. Turn off or reduce post-processing effects like motion blur, bloom, or lens flares. Apply the settings and restart the game to see if performance improves. Next, adjust PC power settings to high performance. Open the control panel on your PC and go to Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings and ensure that processor power management is set to 100% for both minimum and maximum processor state. Disable any sleep or hibernate options while gaming. Restart your computer to apply the changes and launch the game again. After that, disable full screen optimizations and enable game mode. Right-click the Dragon Ball Sparking Game executable file and select Properties. In the Compatibility tab, check the box for Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Then click OK to save the settings. Now, open Windows Settings, go to Gaming, and enable Game Mode. Game Mode helps Windows prioritize resources for gaming, reducing background activities. Then, restart the game and see if there's any improvement in FPS. Next, verify game files via Steam. Open Steam and navigate to your library. There, right-click on Dragon Ball Sparking 0, then click Properties. Now, go to the Local Files tab and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan for missing or corrupted game files and replace them if needed. Once the process is complete, restart the game and check if the FPS drops persist. Finally, limit background applications. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager and check the Processes tab. Now, look for resource-heavy apps using a lot of CPU, GPU, or RAM. Right-click on the app and select End Task for programs you don't need running while gaming. You can also disable unnecessary startup programs by navigating to the Startup tab in Task Manager and turning off any apps you don't need at boot. So that's basically how you can fix sparking 0 FPS drops issue on PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.